In today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you the top 3 best browsers that you can use right now in 2021 to earn some passive income doing what you do on a daily basis, guys. So if you have searched the browser, searched the web for Facebook, YouTube, or even on social media, well, I'm going to be showing you the best browsers that you can use right now to start to earn some money by just doing stuff that you already do, guys. So let's get started right away with this video. So the first one I'm going to be showing you and talking to you about is going to be Netbox. And the reason why I'm going to be showing you this one first is because it is my least favorite but more passive way to earn with this actual browser, guys. Now the reason why I am saying that is because they have a staking platform, and if you actually use my link down below, I believe you're going to get a free 20 tokens, or their tokens, so you can start to stake right away right after you finish watching this video. And I've been staking for quite some time, guys, so I got started with 20 of their tokens, and as you can see right now I'm up to 52 tokens, and every time I get at least one, and you can see it right here in the top right hand corner, guys, as soon as I get one token I actually stake it right away so that number can start to grow. And you can come over here to my transactions and see how this is growing slowly but surely. It doesn't show you all of my transactions, it just shows you my recent ones. So you can see right here, guys, for staking every single day, guys, it is paying out, and as time goes on this number is just going to keep growing little by little. So you can see the number growing, so from 165, 165, 167, 168, and 17, guys. You can see it's just growing slowly but surely, and as time goes on I hope to get this up to like a couple thousand NBX tokens. I believe each one of these is worth like 50 cents or so, so it's not a lot of money we're talking about at the moment, but just think about the future, guys. What happens if this token just explodes out of nowhere? Well, I'm holding 50 of them at the moment. Hopefully I can earn a couple thousand before that happens, but if not, then I'm just gonna start to earn some passive income right now by staking with this browser, guys. And all you have to do is just use it. At the moment I'm just running random Satoshi before I go to bed, when I leave the house, or whenever I'm not even around my computer, I run random Satoshi. And all of these other web browsers whenever I leave, guys, just because they all earn you some passive income when you're not using them. So this is my least favorite, but this is still one I use, guys. So why not use these browsers to earn you passive income whenever you're not even around them? So let's go on to the next one. This is CryptoTab browser, guys. They mine in Monero coin, they pay you out in Bitcoin. So that is really insane, that is really cool, that is really awesome way to earn. And the reason why I am saying that is because as Bitcoin goes up or down, it doesn't matter, guys. All that matters is that Monero keeps staying consistent and keeps staying important to the crypto space. So that is how we get paid out with CryptoTab browser. And the cool thing I like about this one is the referral program. I already showed you guys a couple of videos on how you can actually build this without having a YouTube channel, without building a email list, without really doing anything at all. I'm going to be leaving the link to that video right here in the top right hand corner. Make sure you go over there and check it out, guys. It is something really unique, really interesting, and really easy to make some referrals, guys. So this is growing every single day. Thank you guys for being active and using CryptoTab browser to your advantage. Now let's move on to the last one really quick so you guys can get started with this method, guys. So look at this one. This one right here is the Brave browser. As you can see, I recently just started to use the Brave browser. You can see I have an estimated of 16 cents waiting for me, so that's going to get paid out in the next payment date, which is May 5th, which is not that bad at all, guys. This is all passive income. I don't care how long it takes for them to give me my cryptocurrency. The thing is that I'm just going to keep on using these browsers to my advantage. And the reason why this is my first or my best browser that I would recommend you guys doing is because as you know, I use a lot of pay-to-click advertisement websites, and most of them work with this. And the reason why I'm saying that is because if we just go to any browser, let's go over here to Random Satoshi real quick. Let's type in Random Satoshi so I can show you how this works. And you can come over here as soon as you get over to that website. So let's go to the website. You can see that they're actually showing me 7 different ads on this page. Now there's 13 different ads, and you can see that if we stop or we put up the shield, we're not going to be showing those ads. So it said shields up for this site. If a site appears broken, try shields down. So the shields down will show you those advertisements, but as long as this is active, we are not going to be seeing pop-up ads. We're not going to be seeing all of that annoying stuff, and you can use the website at ease. But the cool thing about this is that we're going to be getting paid ads from the Brave browser right here in the bottom right hand corner. It's just going to show up as notifications, and that is how you get paid out, guys. So this is a really cool, interesting browser to get those annoying ads out of your way, so you can use the websites at a smooth pace and not actually having that website break down and just go to that little dinosaur screen that is so annoying. So this is the reason why this Brave browser makes my #1 spot, top 3 system, guys. I showed you my least favorite, the one that I really enjoy, which is going to be CryptoTab browser. But the reason why I actually put Brave is just because of the advertisements, guys. I love to go to pay to click ads. I love to use them, but I hate those annoying ads that just pop up, send you to a different link, and do all of that crazy nonsense. I like to just get in, get my crypto, and leave. And this is that browser that helps you do that, guys. Stop using Google Chrome. Google Chrome is not going to pay you anything. The Google Chrome is just taking your information and selling it to other people. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett, I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel, so you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team, without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.